how to install HappyMod on iOS. So if you want to install HappyMod on your iOS, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Safari, and from your Safari you need to search for iHappyMod.com, or just simply search for HappyMod iOS and then go with happymod.com, and here you will have this kind of interface. So you just need simply scroll down and then go with download for iPhone. Once you tap on it, it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you just need simply go back, remove the ad, and then tap on download. Scroll down and then here you will have your download link, or you will also have how you can download the HappyMod. So you need to first download the HappyMod profile on your iPhone from the links above, which is right here, and then tap on allow. And when the download is finished, you need to go with your settings. Then under settings, you need to go with general, and then VPN and device banishment, and tap on HappyMod. And then tap on install and enter the password, install, and done. After that, it will be installed on your device. So in this way, you'll be able to download or install your HappyMod app on your iOS. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.